Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D drawing tutorial in Autodesk Inventor software and learn how to make a part in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the top plane, the XZ plane, rotate the view. First we are going to construct the base. So go to the rectangle and from here take center to center slot. Place one point here, place one point here, make one slot profile. Now go to coincident constraint, select the center of slot and select the center point. Okay, now we'll start with dimensions. Go to dimension. Here, take the center to center distance as 100 mm and the radius here of 15 mm. Okay, now here we will go to 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Now take a vertical constraint, select the center point and select here the center point. Okay, go to dimension, define this width here as 70 mm. Okay, and the distance of 100 mm. Now here take the arc command, select this point and select this point and make one arc. Okay, escape, select this line, make it a construction geometry. Now finish sketch. Here take the extrude command, select this profile and select this profile. Here we are going to take extrude dimension as 7 mm. Now press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 20. Similarly at this center point, make one circle of diameter 20. And here on this center point, make a circle up to this end. So this will be at 70 mm. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the three profiles and here the extrude will be of 3 mm. Okay, so these are the joining profiles. Now press OK. Now go to part 3. Now we are going to construct this profile and these three profiles. Okay, so go to part 2 again, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From this center point, make a circle here of diameter 30. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here we are going to take extrude of 88 mm. So this will be a single direction extrude and this will be joining profile. Press OK. Now go to origin and we will select here the XY plane. Go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Okay. Now here go to sketch, project geometry, project this profile, project this profile. Here project this and project this. Okay. Now go to line, select this top end and select here this bottom. Similarly other side, select this top and here select the bottom. Now make a joining profile between them. Okay, and here also make a joining profile. Now escape. So this will be a closed profile now. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select this profile, go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. So here we are going to extrude. So this extrude will be of 8 mm and this will be symmetric extrude. Okay, so this will be also joining and press OK. So this is the profile. Now here the next profile which we are going to construct will be this face. Go to part 3. Here we have one extrude profile and other we will construct this. Go to part 2. Select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command and from the center point make a circle here of diameter 44. Take 3D model, take extrude. Here take extrude of 23 mm. Okay. Now press OK. Now here we are going to go to part 3. This front profile. For this front profile we need a datum plane. So go to part 2 again. Here click on plane, and here we are going to select the XY plane and select this circle. Now when I rotate this to right view, so you can see a tangent plane has been constructed about this circular profile. Go to home, select this plane, go to create sketch, and here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile here, go to dimension, define this height here as 10 and this width of 20. Go to vertical constraint, select the center point and select the center. Okay. Now here take the arc command, take 3-point arc, select this center point and select this point and make one arc tangent to both the sides. Okay. Escape. Now select this line, make it a construction geometry. Go to 3D model, take extrude. Here take extrude of 12 mm and take it as symmetric extrude. Okay. Now press OK. Now here we are done with this profile. Select this plane, right click, turn off the visibility. So the use of this plane is over now. Go to part 3. Here we have a joining rib between this profile and this profile. So go to part 2. For this rib, we will select the YZ plane. Go to create sketch. Here take the line command and from this endpoint first go to project geometry, project this profile and project this profile. To make it more easy, go to line, select this end and select here. Go to dimension. From this base, this endpoint will be at a distance of 42 mm. Okay. Now escape. Now here rotate the profile. Now all the yellow lines here, select this and select this. Make them a construction geometry. Okay. Now finish sketch and here take rib command. Okay. One more line is present of construction geometry. Okay, this. Double click sketch 7. Select this profile, make it construction. Now finish sketch. Okay, rotate. Now take the rib command. This profile is selected. Here we will take parallel to sketch plane and here we will flip the direction. Okay. Now we have taken a symmetric rib and the thickness will be of 8 mm. Okay, you can see due to symmetric, this will be for this side, for this side. Now press OK. So this is the connecting profile. Now here we have made all the solid profiles. Now we are going to make the cut profiles. So select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and here we are going to make a circle of dia 30. Okay. Go to 3D model, take extrude, select the circle, flip the direction to cut and here take all. So this will be a through cut, press OK. Now select this top plane, select create sketch, take circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 18 and with reference to this center, make circle of dia 12 and here also dia 12. Go to finish sketch, go to extrude, select the 12 dia and here also 12 dia and 18 dia. Flip the direction and here we are taking cut and this will be all. So these are also through cut. Press OK. Now we have a whole profile here. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to point command and place a point at the center point of this curve. Okay. Finish sketch, go to hole command. Here we are going to take a tabbed hole and here we will change the standard to isometric profile and the size of hole will be 10. Okay, this will not be through, this will be at a distance. So we'll take this distance as 30 and this distance also 30. Go to top view, you can see it is almost at center point. Now press OK and go to home. Here you can see the cosmetic threads. Okay, now this profile is almost complete. Now go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 2, go to edge selection, select this edge, this, this and this. Okay, rotate. Similarly here, select this edge and press apply. Exit. Now go to home view. Now we will give the appearance. From here we will take light red. So here we will take light red. And for the cut profiles, select extrude 7, select extrude 8 and select the whole one. And from here we will take polished PO. Okay. So this will be the profile. So this is the final model. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD drawing in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.